Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Zoom background on your old smartphone like iOS and Android. So if you update your Zoom app or Zoom meeting app into Zoom Workplace, you cannot set your virtual background on the meeting settings anymore. Here, you can set your virtual background, you can blur your background in meeting settings. But in the new versions, you can only set your virtual background when you are start join meeting or start new meeting. Let's try. So here, you can set your virtual background when you tap on apps and then you can use virtual background powered by pixels. So total there are 4 categories here. There's nature, interiors, art, and travel. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click next button below. See you in the next video.